Welcome to Banalytics. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up continuous video recording, a feature that ensures your surveillance cameras capture everything 24/7. We will use the mini PC with a USB camera in today's demo. We will configure a continuous recording task for the camera. Continuous recording means your camera captures footage nonstop, unlike motion-activated recording, which only starts when movement is detected. Continuous recording is perfect for places where constant monitoring is essential. Keep in mind, continuous recording generates a lot of footage, which can be challenging to store and manage. Features like motion detection and scheduled recording can help reduce storage needs. Remember, continuous recording can capture people's activities even when they're not doing anything suspicious. Always follow privacy laws and regulations to respect people's rights. To set up continuous recording, start by ensuring the capture video task is configured for your camera. Then, select the continuous recording subtask. Next, let's configure the recording options. Restart on failure. This field is required to control what happens if an error occurs. Target file storage. The file storage you created for the Banalytics server. You can find a link to the tutorial on how to set up file storage in the description. Disable audio. When flagged on, video is recorded without an audio track, regardless of camera configuration. Folder structure. The property defines how the recordings will be organized into a hierarchy of folders, per day, per hour. Bitrate. A higher bitrate results in better quality. However, a higher bitrate assumes higher CPU usage and a bigger file size. This is a parameter you should choose empirically. Try some bitrates and assess the quality of the recordings. Max recording time. This is the time length we cut the video to. Copying or recording large files can be a problem. Moreover, valuable information may be lost in case of interruptions while recording. To minimize loss, Banalytics cuts the recordings into small pieces. Frame rate. Choose the source frame rate to take the camera's frame rate at recording. Choose the actual frame rate to take the number of frames the network bandwidth allows. Once configured, you can easily start, stop, or delete the continuous recording task as needed. Remember, deleting the task won't remove the footage from your storage. And that's it. You're now ready to use continuous recording and schedule your recordings based on your needs. For more tutorials, be sure to subscribe and visit Banalytics.live.